It was all DD then.
Yeah. That's right, yep. Wow.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Nice. So you went from DD to Terrence?
No, because I had, when you saw me last, I had the DDs.
Yes.
Late August of last year, I went to Terrence. Same setup, and I have Def Bond sub because I don't think you ever seen it with the Def Bond subs. It was all DD then.
Yeah. That's right, yep. Wow.
Then you seen the side doors, it's on both sides, 2 SS4s on each side.
Okay.
And there's a C2 and a DSI on the other side, and it's lit up like a Christmas tree too.
All right. Sweet.
And then you can really take the...
Nice. Oh, I like the way you ran the wires. I like the way you ran the wires.
Yeah, all wire.
That looks really good. Wow.
You always been the clean, having it all nice and clean.
Yes, sir. Pretty loud and clean.
It's
It's a good thing. Wow.
Yeah, and then still you got the two Ultra 300 and the 370. The 370 actually took place of the AC compressor, which is on the bottom.
Okay.
I had to make a mount bracket that mimicked the AC compressor and mount the alternator to that.
Yes, sir.
I don't blame. But all 80 amp hour proto
Cell.
cells.
Okay.
Yep.
Awesome. So you just finished, but you haven't done any metering testing yet, have you?
Yeah, I done.
Oh, you did? Okay.
I've done it. We'll see what it does today now on a real world, but I did the 60 sealed.
Nice. Whoa.
And did a 62 in the kick.
Wow. What was your goal?
1 dB shy. I wanted a 63 in the kick.
63 kick?
But
okay.
And that was the amps. I actually I got them set to 82 volts.
Yeah.
They can take 99, but they are wired to half ohm. So.
Okay. You ready? What's your bandwidth in your tuning?
25, 6.2, almost 19, 25 to I burped sealed at 54.
54s?
So.
Okay.
Music 33s, mid 30s is crazy.
Okay.
On a second chance, I like what they say. I see mommy, hot tamale, hotter than
I haven't revved. My foot is off the gas.
Hop up the stoop, jump in the coupe, big dip on top of the roof, fixing them bitches as hard as I can.
Try something.
on too.
My bandwidth
Yeah,
is pretty good, and you know, and I'm happy with it.
that's good. Okay.
You know, I'm happy with it.
Issues with that. Yep. You're loud enough
And this
now.
has never happened, popping this, even last year with the other setup. This has never happened, and I mean, you're just popping stuff.
That is a bass head
But it's
issue.
much more solid.
Yeah.
It's
Solid,
3
yeah.
inches thick all the way around. This is all one. The part of the box stops right here,
Okay.
and then the rest of the half I had to put another piece in there.
Yeah.
But this is not. It's a sound deadening material, but its depth box is actually the rigid.
Yeah.
So it's done pretty good. It's
Yeah, it's solid everywhere. Yep.
solid all the way around.
Yep.
Usually I'll do it with the seat forward, you know, because of the
That's
port
right, yeah.
to let the air out. But
Yeah.
we'll see what it does today in real
Awesome.
world now.
Thank you, man.
After all of that, still started
Yeah.
at 15.5
Solid.
and 15.2 now.
The proto cells are doing good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And that's only 80 amp hour.
Yep. Wow. Nice to meet you again.
Thank you, Jacob.
Yes, sir.
ABC, thanks to everybody that made it happen.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Jacob.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you again. Good job. Congrats.
Fall in my watch. I like sex. On the second chance, I like. Spicy money, hot to I like sex. On the second chance, fall in my watch. I like sex. On the second chance, I like. Spicy mommy, hot.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.